In this lesson, we're going to talk about expanding our use of the aggregates with group by. If you can remember, an aggregate works on a collection of one or more rows at one time, and we'll do functions such as count, sum, average on that group of rows. We can also do a group by to show the number of the aggregate based upon the group. So if we look at our entertainment table, and we can select entertainer ID, entertainer ID, count from entertainment table. And because entertainer ID is not an aggregate, where count is an aggregate, we have to include entertainer ID in our group by. Remember, every column that we select that is not an aggregate must be in the group by. So let's run this statement, and we see we have entertainer ID 201 is in 3 events, 202 is in 4 events, and 203 is in 3 events. Now, if we want to do a where like statement, it says only show me those entertainers who are in more than 3 events. We use the having keyword. Having a count greater than 3. By doing this, it says only give me those rows where the count, which is this column here, we call it events, is greater than 3, so we should only get 1 row down here. So we click Run SQL, and we see we only get those rows having a count greater than 3. This has to be a true or false statement. So that's at each row it says, is the count of this row grouping greater than 3? If it is, select it. If it's not, then reject it. That is how having works. Notice we cannot use our keyword events up here. That will give us an error. So I don't know what that is. So it has to be the aggregate itself, which in this case is count greater than 3. Run this and it works. Again, to see the difference, if we take this off and run this, we get every row. If we put it on, then we only get those rows having more than 3 events. So having is like a where statement, but for an aggregate.